In this video, I'm going to show you how you can work with a template that was built by using the document automation of Empower. So we'll take a look on the user perspective of document automation in PowerPoint. Note that document automation can be used in PowerPoint with Empower Slides or in Word with Empower Docs. And generally speaking, document automation enables you to create and individualize a whole document, respectively presentation, by answering several predefined questions in the document automation wizard. And how you can do this is what I'm going to show you right now via an exemplary template. First of all, I'll navigate the Empower library either by clicking on the library button in the Empower ribbon or by clicking on New right here in order to select the template that I want to work with. You can see this little symbol right here that shows that this is a document automation template. And either click on Open or double click on it in order to start working with a desired template. As you can see, a window opens up, the so-called document automation wizard. This wizard was designed beforehand and consists of different kinds of questions. Some of them have to be answered in order to create the presentation, and these questions are marked with an asterisk right here. And then I only have to start working myself through this list of questions. This template is used in order to create a company presentation that should present the company of Empower, and I have different possibilities to individualize this presentation. First of all, I can decide if I want to tailor the presentation to the customer, which I'm going to say yes. So I can insert the customer name. I just add XYZ in this case as an example. And now I can add the customer logo as a picture right here. So there's also the possibility to insert a picture into the wizard that will be used in the presentation afterwards. So I'll simply drag and drop this picture right here, which is the logo of this exemplary company. And then I go on with the next question, which would be, how should the cover slide look like? And right here I can choose if this should be a cover with a neutral blue area or a cover with a business person. I just go with a cover with a blue area, and then I go on to the next question. Do I want to add introduction slides describing the challenges of companies today? And there I can say yes or no. And if I want to add these introduction slides, I simply tick this checkbox and they will be inserted into my presentation, which we're going to see later on. Then I can choose if I want to add details for each solution. And I can choose between multiple answers if I don't want to add any details, a one-pager or 4 slides per solution. I'm going to go with a one-pager. And the last question is if I want to show case studies from our clients. I say yes, I want to show case studies and thus tick this checkbox. And these are all of the questions that are in the wizard. And now I can create my presentation automatically, which is already individualized. As you can see right here, the customer name is inserted, the customer's logo is inserted, and all of the content that we selected is here too. So we see the introduction slides that address the challenges. And right here we can see the one-pagers that describe the solutions that we offer, brand control, content creation, content enablement, and document automation. And last but not least, the case studies can be found right here. And this is how easy and quickly I can create an individualized presentation based off this template. And now I'm quickly going to show you how different the result can look like. So I'll select the same template once again and only select the very basic elements that are in the company presentation. So I'm not going to tailor the presentation to the customer. Maybe I'm going to go with another cover slide in this case. I don't want to add introduction slides. I don't want to add details for each solution and don't want to show case studies. and just create the very basic company presentation. And now you can see how different my presentation looks like. You see some of the elements of the other presentation are of course there too, but you can see the different possibilities that the wizard and template offer you to create an individualized presentation very fast with very few clicks. So I hope this video gave you a quick insight on the user perspective of document automation and how you can work with a template and wizard in order to create your own presentation with document automation. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.